In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. Monday.com is a versatile platform that helps you streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage and track tasks. Whether you're handling a personal project or orchestrating a team effort, Monday.com offers flexibility and robust features to keep everything organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to create a new board. This is where your tasks will live. On the left panel of your screen, look for the plus icon next to your current workspace. Once you spot it, give it a click and select Board from the menu. This step is crucial because the board acts as your digital workspace, a central hub for all your task management activities. Monday.com gives you the option to start with a pre-made template, which is particularly great if you're managing projects like content calendars or marketing campaigns. These templates are tailored for specific tasks and can save you time. However, for this tutorial, we'll start from scratch so you can fully appreciate how customizable the boards really are. When you create your new board, you'll be prompted to enter a name. Let's call it Task Board to keep things simple and descriptive. Then choose the type of items you'll manage. Since we're focusing on tasks, select Tasks and click Create Board. Now your blank board is ready to be customized to your liking. This is where you can start building a more organized workspace by adding columns that fit your workflow needs. Let's start with a priority label column, which helps you see at a glance which tasks are most critical. This can be particularly helpful in fast-paced environments where prioritizing work is essential. Next, consider including a Files column. This is where you can attach documents directly to a task. Having all your information and resources in one place is a huge time saver. It ensures that everything related to a task is immediately accessible without having to dig through emails or separate files. If you're working solo, you might find that the People column isn't necessary. Feel free to delete it to keep your board clean and free of clutter. On the other hand, if detailed information is key to your workflow, you might want to add extra text columns. Use these for notes, reminders, or specific details about each task. This ability to tweak the board to suit your particular needs is where Monday.com shines. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up and personalize a board in Monday.com for efficient task management. By harnessing these customizable features, you can create a board that keeps you organized, focused, and on top of your tasks, no matter how big or small. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more productivity tutorials.